Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I did a search for Charleston Roofing, and this is what came up on the first page. The top part is usually some ads. If you're spending money on those ads, we can certainly show you a better alternative. The next part is the map pack, and then you get into the organic ranking where you'll see excuse me, some of your competitors. Charleston Roof, this is a directory listing actually. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofs and Windows, and some others. I was looking for your company and I found you back on page 6 down here at Elite Roofing. So I took a look at your website and came to this, and got a nice picture of some folks working there on roofs, so that makes sense. Hopefully your images all have image tags on there. That's something else you can do. But you probably know that 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results from page 1. So these guys are getting 80% of all the new customers. And I'm sure you'd love to get a portion of that, and I can show you a couple things that you can do on your own in order to help boost your rankings. There's a lot of things that go into it, all of which we could help you with, but just want to show you 1 or 2 things today that will make a difference for you that you can do on your own. Google mainly focuses on trusting a website, and in order to trust a website, they look at the heading tags. So we put your URL into this analyzer, and it brings up your number 1 heading and then your secondary headings, of which you have a lot. And your number 1 heading, you want to be congruent with what people are searching for, which is Charleston Roofing. So what you have is your go-to roofing contractors in Charleston. So if you just changed that to where you had the city and the keyword Charleston Roofing, and then added your company after that, Google will pick that up, because Google looks at that and says, okay, now I know what their website is about, and it is congruent with what people are searching for. The other thing is your metadata, or your title tags. So in your title, you've got Elite Roofing, Charleston's Premier Roofing Contractors. So that is what is the blue line right here. That's your title tag, and the black is your description. So again, you want that to be congruent with Charleston Roofing, which will help boost up your ranks. If you had Charleston Roofing and then a vertical line and put Elite Roofing after that, that would boost your rankings just by doing that. We do this for companies all over the United States. This is something you can do yourself, or I'll be glad to help you with it. There's other things that we can help you with as well, and make sure you get ranked where you can get on the first page of Google, and that'll certainly at least double, if not triple, your revenue. So anyway, hope you have a good day. Hope that helps. Take care.